A Jerusalem-based startup has developed a device worn on the nose that uses active noise cancellation to reduce the sound of snoring. Nathan Frandino reports.
Sometimes a good night's sleep can be elusive, especially when it's your neighbor keeping you awake. But now, Jerusalem-based Quiet Life Technologies has developed a new device with sub-wavelength technology it says can help users find some peace and quiet. Vladimir Hochstein is the company's technical lead.
A silent partner is a small wearable device, this one, that can be programmed to cancel annoying snoring noise.
With a built-in microphone, the device targets the snoring using active noise cancellation, similar to headphones that block out engine noise on airplanes.
Built-in microphones of our device record a snoring noise that this guy produces and generates anti-noise signal that can effectively suppress this annoying snoring noise.
In physics, the concept is known as antiphase, when two sound waves find each other in the same area and cancel each other out. Quiet Life CEO Netanyahu Eyal says the difference is clear.
Average snoring is around 70 decibels. Our device can reduce it by 15 decibels from 20 centimeters away. It's a very large amount of reduction. It significantly reduce the sound of snoring.
It's a reduction that Quiet Life hopes will help users go from this to this.